Hello everyone. You are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView. This pattern is a favorite among traders, as it helps in spotting potential buying opportunities. So, let's dive right in and learn how to draw and analyze this powerful pattern on your chart. First things first, you'll need to open your chart on either a daily or weekly time frame. These timeframes are often more reliable for spotting this pattern because they provide clearer signals than shorter timeframes. Once you've got your chart ready, we can start drawing the pattern itself. Let's begin with the cup portion. To illustrate this, you can use the trendline or arc tool in TradingView. Trace a smooth and symmetrical rounded bottom, resembling a U-shape. This part is crucial because it represents a gradual shift in price momentum, forming the base of the entire pattern. Next, draw a horizontal line at the top level, touching both rims of the cup. This line serves as a reference point where the price action meets resistance before it pulls back to form the handle. It's important to position this horizontal line accurately, as it marks the high point of the cup and helps you identify potential breakout points later on. Now, let's move on to the handle. Starting from the right rim of the cup, draw a downward sloping trend line to connect the highs of the handle. This line captures the minor price pullback that typically follows the cup formation. The handle often forms at a slight angle, as buyers take a brief step back before pushing the price upwards again, completing the pattern. Optionally, you can draw another horizontal line at the low point of the handle. This is useful if you want to set a stop-loss level, as it marks a point where the price should not fall below if the pattern holds true. This additional line can enhance your risk management strategy by providing a clearer boundary for potential losses. Take a moment to review your drawing. The complete cup and handle pattern should now be visible on your TradingView chart, offering you a clear visual aid to identify potential trading opportunities. Remember to keep an eye on any breakout signals near the resistance level, as these can provide insights into possible entry points. By following these steps, you can effectively draw and use the cup and handle pattern in TradingView, helping you make more informed trading decisions. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.